Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Offset 24/7. My name is Niharika Wale Bhatnagar, and I'm with you with the area of ABFM. Okay, everyone. In the last class, we had started with the specific area. Today, I've got a mix of questions. I got questions from Module A, Module B, Module C, and even D. So it's gonna be a blend of all the modules at once. So let's begin with the session, everyone. Jenny, let's look at the specific area. We're looking at area of management, not only management, we're looking at multiple areas. Before I proceed further, everyone, our sale is going on. If you haven't gone through our sale yet, kindly go through the sale. What you need to do is you need to go to our website, that is www.adda247.com. Once you go into the area of www.adda247.com, once you go into the specific area, you will find the particular details there. What you need to do is go on to, just a moment, I'll be showing it to you right away. Go through this website, everyone. Let me just show you right away. This is our website, www.adda247.com. Once you go through our website, you will be able to find this specific area. Just go on to this area, go on to the area of JIB and CIB. Once you have gone through JIB and CIB, you will be able to see it further. See, in this area, what you need to do is go on go on to our website, that is this specific area. Go on to the area of CIP June 2024. Once you go to the area of June 2024, you can see our Mahapacks there, everyone. Our Mahapacks are available at double validity, and if you overall go to the batch only na, you click on it further, click on the area of buy now, then use the code Y541. Okay, done? Hanji, see, in this area, use the code Y541. As soon as you apply the code Y541, you will be able to see a specific area of decrease in the price up to 81%. That's the answer. So if you're looking forward to it, then hold on and purchase our courses right away, because this is the perfect time to buy it, everyone. Done. So you can look forward to our courses in the CAIIB pack. It is really beneficial. Why do I say CAIIB Mahapack is very important? Because in this Mahapack you can get all the courses. That means you get both the courses that is involved in this area. That includes our bilingual English medium, regular course, revision course, all the four compulsory as well as 5 optional, all are covered in this area. So this is the perfect time because it is at its lowest price right now. So that's the particular area. You should hurry up and get it done. Chali, now let's get back to our session. Chali everyone, let's continue further. If the EBIT is nil, what is the operating leverage, everyone? What do you mean by the term operating leverage? Operating leverage matlab the leverage that is required on a daily basis, है ना? This is for our regular running of the business, isn't it? है ना? Because there are two leverages, financial and operating. When we talk about operating leverage is basically that specific area which looks into the matter of, I'm sorry, basically this particular area, operating leverage, looks into the matter of specifically the benefit of our regular business activities. So in this case, they say if the EBIT is nil, what would be the degree of the operating leverage? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, or undefined. When you're earning before interest and tax, EBIT becomes 0, then in this case the answer is D. Why? If the EBIT is nil, our contribution is equal to fixed cost, है ना? मतलब that means if I say this, the actual formula is sales minus the variable cost is equal to fixed cost plus profit. So in this case, what's going to happen if you have this specific area? Then if your profit is 0, then your contribution, sales minus variable cost, is equal to contribution, and contribution is equal to fixed cost. If both of these things are equal, then the degree of operating leverage is contri divided by EBIT. So you have contri divided by 0, which in further areas turn into 0. Right? Got the idea? This is the answer. Now look at the next question. This is an interesting question. This is based upon debentures. This is module D. Which among the following are correct or appropriate merits of debentures? No restrictive covenants, trust in the deed, in the trust deed, lower cost and tax deductibility of interest payments, no dilution of control, enjoy preferential claim on the assets in relation to the shareholders. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. or all. वैसे they put covenants, they put conditions on the specific area कि नहीं, this is how our money should be used, XYZ, this person would be the director of the organization till the time we are there. ठीक है, मतलब our payments are not cleared up. Then lower cost, cost is lowered down because the point is you have tax deductibility. Dividend is not tax deductible, but debentures are. Debenture interest actually. ठीक है ना? Plus now no delusion of control. No delusion of control is there because voting rights are not shared with anyone. Enjoy preferential claim on the assets. They do. They have a preferential claim because if the company is dying, first of all, the payment has to be made to them only. So that is one part which is absolutely true, everyone. So what's gonna be the answer? Uh, 1, 2, 3. Acha, this part is something. Yes, actually, if I go through it, 2, 3, 4 is absolutely correct, but no restrictive covenants is wrong because they put restrictive covenants as I told you. ठीक है ना? So in this case, the correct answer is 2, 3, 4. Next question, everyone. Go ahead and read it. What are the potential benefits of AI-based systems in the banking finance? Benefits of the specific area of AI. See, AI has taken over every organization. There's no organizations which are now, rather industry altogether. I to say any organization, but I would say every industry has been affected by AI. Affected in two ways. Number one, in a good way, that it is making it all better, and indeed it is making it all better, and it is supposed to make it all better because the point is it is adding up so many interesting features in its working that everybody knows that yes, this specific area is good for the growth of the organizations. Right? So when we talk about the growth, this is going absolutely awesome. That is, it is introducing a particular think tank to the organizations. They have introduced chatbots which are really helpful, and with the use of AI they have been introducing more and more areas where they are answering, the AIs are answering, and lesser recruitment people and everything else is required. Not only this, but there are many features which AI is consistently handling on its own. That means it is helping the entire working. Then comes the next area, increase productivity, cost savings, and improve decision making. Yeah, there is an definitely a specific area where there is an increased productivity. Why is there an increased productivity? Because it solves the problem of the work altogether. When the working is maintained in a proper manner, what will happen? There is an increased productivity. Productivity increases when people will be able to handle their work in a better way because of AI. है ना? When AI takes over, AI makes sure that the organizations are not only developing, they are developing in a better manner because AI gives a specific route to it. Streamlined operations, faster transactions, all the transactions which are done through AI, they are done at a very faster pace because AI is itself a brain. You don't really have to wait for a human brain to come intervene and tell what you do, what to do and what not to do, and then you move on. That particular part is definitely over. So that's a particular good point. Then comes enhanced customer engagement, personalized recommendations, and fraud detection. In this specific area, only 1 and 2, only 1 and 3, only 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. I think if I look at the entire question now, it is 1, 2, and 3. All of these are correct. None of them is wrong. What are the different final decisions made by the business? Pricing decisions, then product service decisions, or capital budgeting, or only 1 and 2, or 1 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3, or 1, 2 and 3. Final decision, financial decision matlab everybody is thinking about how to get more money from the market, and obviously you need to keep on looking for more resources from where you can earn more. But every business requires more and more growth, because if you do not get growth in the market now, how will you survive? You have to keep on evolving yourself. So in this case, pricing decisions is an important area. Why do we say that pricing is an important area? Because through pricing we know कि अच्छा this is the money that we are spending, and how do we look at it, है ना? So one part is definitely there. Pricing is something that they have to think of. Next is product service decisions. Product service decisions matlab the decisions related to the area of how do we provide the product and its allied services. So the first point is pricing decisions, product or service decisions, and even capital budgeting. Capital budgeting matlab which particular asset should I buy? The asset buying is covered in this specific area. That is covered as the term capital budgeting, everyone. Okay, so in this case, it is actually all of them, 1, 2 as well as 3, which covers the entire area, okay, of the working. Well, every organization has to think about all of these, not one of these, for sure. What are the elements in the cost in capital budgeting? Land, plant, labor, material, investment. Land, plant, labor, engagement of working capital. Capital budgeting, अच्छा ठीक है. Land, plant, labor, material and marketing, and land, plant, labor, material and maintenance. When we talk about capital budgeting, na, it is actually B. Land, plant, labor, material. Land, plant is basically the specific area which is capital budgeting area. Okay, this is working. This is where the regular working starts, and the engagement in the working capital. Working capital means the capital that we need on a daily basis to work upon from. That is a part of working capital. And capital budgeting, the term capital budgeting is talking about the working of the enterprise based upon the assets. Okay, actually this is also a very interesting area. This particular chapter was asked for more than 5-6 marks in the exam. What information must the corporation provide to stockholders of the target business in SPAC merger? Audited financial statements, comprehensive disclosure documents, terms of the proposed business combination, special purpose acquisition company. Acha, what we do is this company is creating just like you're giving Sopari to kill someone. This particular killer shooter, which is actually a sharpshooter, it keeps an eye on another organization, and boom, when it gets a chance, it will buy the other organization and will get it for you, and will give it back to you. Even the origin of this organization is actually even made for this particular purpose only. ठीक है ना? So is this 1 2 1 3 2 and 3, or 1 2 and 3? In this case the correct answer is all of these. D, 1 2 and 3. What information must the corporation provide to the stockholders of the target business in SPAC merger? Audited financial statements are required, comprehensive disclosure documents, or terms on the proposed business combination. Only 1 and 2, only 1 and 3, 2 and 3, as well as 1, 2 and 3. What's going to be the answer, everyone? What information must the corporation provide? The corporation should provide the all the information. You cannot just give one-sided information and leave the portion of the decision making there. So in this case, the answer would be all of these together. Okay. Okay, so that's it for the day, everyone. But before we end the session, go back to the specific area, go on to our website, and hurry up. Right away, get the particular Mahapack, because there's nothing else that good. You buy it for 6,500, you get it for 12 months. You will buy it for less than 6,500, matlab 500 something rupees is such a nominal amount. So I think you should look forward to it, purchase it as early as possible because the benefit of it is extremely high. So check it out on our website or in our app for further details, everyone. And hurry up before the specific sale ends. You should buy the particular courses right away, as this particular Mahapack includes bilingual English medium as well as the specific areas of test series, revision, ebooks, and even Maha marathons as well as mini marathons. So check it out